Musta mga kabady? Sa patuloy na pamamayagpag ng mga Hapon sa larangan ng palakasan na boxing, kung saan karamihan ng ating mga kababayang dumadayo sa bansang Japan ay bigong makuha ang panalo. Pero may isang Pinoy na hindi nagpatinag sa bagsik ng mga Hapon. Ito ay si Lawrence Biasong na tubong Manolo Portek Bukid noon, January 26 taong 2024, napadayo dito sa Pilipinas ang Hapon na si Kyota Watanabe. Ito ang unang laban ni Watanabe sa professional boxing. Nakaharap niya dito ang kababayan natin na si Lawrence Biasong na sa mga panahong ito may kartadang isa na panalo, walang talo, at naganap ang kanilang laban sa Nostar Resort and Casino, Cebu City na pinangunahan ng Omega Boxing Promotion. Ito ay ang Combate 16. Bago natin balikan ang highlights ng kanilang laban, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, paki-like at subscribe naman. Paki-hit na rin ang notification bell para palagi kayong updated. Maraming salamat po mga kabady. Unang yugto pa lang ng kanilang laban ay napakilala na kagad itong si Lawrence Biasong dito sa Hapon na si Watanabe.
Round number 1. Scheduled for 8 rounds. Keys to victory, John. Oh, this is for 4 rounds. So this is the first fight or the debut fight of Watanabe and the second fight for Biasong. So, medyo baguhan pa sila and so you can see muna dito ano bang mga fundamentals and makita natin na they're just trying to build up their records, they're trying to build up experience and dito natin masusubukan kung mga skills ng mga bago natin fight. So trying to establish first impressions for the community, the officials, and of course getting the nod of the audience. A little bit of a height and reach advantage here for Mr. Watanabe. Very low stance for Biasong. This is once again scheduled for 4 rounds. Nice good right hand from Biasong. hook there by Watanabe. As we approach 1 minute 20 mark in the second round. Short right hand. Definitely got the Japanese attention with that sneak straight. For a young fighter, ang ganda ng mix-up ng combinations niya. Oo. The variety in his punches are really something to see. Now Watanabe goes to the body. Goes for a hook to the body and a hook to the head. And he's just in front of Lawrence Biasong. 4 jabs from Watanabe. Lead uppercut. Biasong counters with a lead straight. Very good. Very good uppercut there by Biasong. So Watanabe is coming to Biasong. Straight to the body by Biasong, followed with an uppercut. Mayong 10 seconds.
Mula umpisa ng bakbakan hanggang dito sa round 3 ay pukpukan ng dalawang boksingero. Parang mga turo na hindi nagpapaawat ang bawat isa. Mga malalakas na suntok ang pinapakawalan nila.
All Biasong needs to do is either step back, lean back, punta sa gilid ng konti, nandun yung uppercut na yun. And makapansin nyo later on, si Biasong is using his jab or yung left hand niya as a measuring stick para malaman niya if within range yung attacking niya or not. 2 hooks to the body by Watanabe, more uppercuts to the body from the Japanese fighter. But he keeps leaning forward, keeps coming forward. At nakaabang dun yung uppercut ni Biasong when that happens. Good right hand from Watanabe. Follow to the left hook. Uppercut and a hook by Biasong. More uppercuts and hooks from Biasong. A hook to the body by Watanabe. Double uppercut to the side from the Japanese fighter. Oo. Ganda yung push and a punch. Yung pag-lean, push, sabay combinations from Biasong. This is one of the more competitive rounds, no? Dito sa laban na to, compared to the first two. And a good way to open the main cards for Kumbati 6-2. That's right. But Biasong is taking it well. His body shots ni Watanabe. But again, meron yung it will earn dividends later on, no? Yung mga ganyan body shots. Di man ngayon, pero later. Mararamdaman niya. Good combination. Watanabe needs to stay out of that corner if he wants to stop getting hit. And Biasong is doing a good job by cutting him off and leaning forward. Kanina yun yung diskarte ni Watanabe. He was the person leaning on his opponent. Now, Biasong is like returning the favor. So, pabalik siya uli. Salubong ulit ng jab. Good body shot. And Watanabe returns the favor. Good exchange of body shots here from both fighters. But Watanabe is relentless with that pressure, Franco. So I will see who's gonna disengage. So Watanabe disengages, goes back to his jab. Good hook to the body by both fighters. You can hear the power of those punches from ringside, grabe. Good sneaky uppercut to the head there by Biasong. A little wild there. Look at this. All personalities are in here. Fourth and paano yun, Mark? Kunyari, may cut na gano'n. Kahit sa gilid bumabagsak yung dugo, nakakabagal pa rin. Yes po, kasi once may cut ka, yung blood, mainit eh. Nakaka-distract. So, lagi mo siyang pupunasan talaga. Kahit sabihin mo na nasa bakbakan kayo, maiisip mo talaga may cut ka. So, speaking of cut, ito nga, medyo sumatagal, slowing down, na-corner siya.
Oh, good.
Right hand.
From your tawatan natin.
Too much heart sa mata natin.
Dito sa round 4 ay bahagyang pinahinto muna ng referee ang laban upang ipasuri sa ring physician itong Hapon na mahiwa sa kanang kilay at nang masuri ito ng doktor, pinagpatuloy pa rin ang laban.
15 seconds left for this fight. Good uppercut from Piazza. Na-stun the Watanabe. And 10 seconds left. Let's see.
Just like what John said,
Wow.
in fighting favors the shorter fighter. That's exactly what Lawrence Piazon has been capitalizing on.
7 to the winner by